Good evening, everyone. So today we are making a video for a solution where a customer want to access their IMOU camera regionally. Means if a customer is having a camera in India and he want to access it from some other country, so how he can do that without any foundation. So this video will shows that how you can get an access of a camera which is not in their region. So the video will tell you how to configure the camera and over what platform you have to use so that you would be able to access the recording playback and as well as the controlling part. So here we have a camera IMOU Cruiser 4G. So this we will try to configure over the Smart PSS, and we will see how is the configuration part. So the very first thing the customer will require to configure the camera, that the device serial number and the safety code, which will be available over the device sticker, and from there itself customer can get it. So to configure the camera over the application, what he has to do, he has to open the application called Smart PSS, which I have already installed over my PC. So once the customer will register himself over the application, he would be able to access these all the options which are highlighted over the screen. So to configure the camera, he has to click on the in configuration part. Under the configuration part, there will be an option devices. He has to click on that, and here he would be able to see all those devices which are already added, and as well as he will get an option to add more cameras to the application. So here an option name add, just simply click on the add. So once he will click on the add, the application will ask to suggest a name to the device which he want to configure over the application. So here I'm giving a name testing 124. So in the method of adding, the customer has to select a P2P and via the serial number. And this particular device serial number I have already copied, and I will simply paste it here. So and in the username, the customer has to mention the username would be admin, and the password would be the safety code which will be available over the device sticker. And click on add. So currently the status is offline as the device is trying to fetch the data from the server. It will take some time. Now the device has been online. Here is the serial number which we have added in that application, and its model number IPCS21FTP. So now we'll try to check the live view of the camera. So for that we have to open a new tab and click live view. So in the live view we have a camera which we have already added, testing 124. Simply double click on that, and here's the live view of the camera. And through the application itself you could be able to control the movement of the camera. So under that option, under the application, there is an option PTZ. So it allows you to control the camera's movement through the joystick. I'll just try to move the camera to its right and left. So as you can see, the camera is moving here, and for one more time, the camera is making it smooth. So this is how you can configure a camera over the Smart PSS. If you are, if you want to configure a camera or access the camera from another region. Thank you.